There's a fish. Got finally one, dude. Finally caught a bass. It's a decent one too. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Welcome back to another adventure here at Fish and Trips. In today's episode, we are here at a local trailhead in Murfreesboro. We're here to catch some bass, any types of bass, smallies, largies. I think all bass species are in this creek that we will be wading in. I got my waders with me. We're all geared up. We're ready. Let's go ahead and catch some fish. Again, guys, shout out to Better Days Fishing for showing us where this place is and things that we can catch here. Exciting day. A little chilly for Saturday morning. Highs of 70s today, but we fishermen, we don't care. We are up for the adventure no matter how hot or cold it is. That's what we'll be doing. We'll be doing some fishing, bank fishing here at the creek. This is the first time that we're going to be using our cast net to catch some bait. We'll see how well we'll do. Unfortunately, we have just a small cast net. This is a 3-footer. Should have bought a 6-footer, probably more. But it is what it is. We'll see what we can do with a small cast net. Awesome. We caught some bait. Got some bait, guys. So happy. At least we got some. That's why he's got to be careful with this one. It's slippery here. He came out of that brush pile from the bank and nailed my bait. Not quite sure how that happened, but I wasn't able to get a hook set. Maybe my hook isn't strong enough. There's a fish. Got finally one, dude. Finally caught a bass. It's a decent one too. First fish here in this creek. And hopefully we don't lose it. Hopefully we don't lose it. It's a good size fish, good size smallie. Took me underneath the... Oh, shoot. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that bass. Look at that big bass. Look at that big bass. Swallow that thing. Look at that. Look at this nice largemouth. Look at that nice largemouth, guys. Whew. Look at him. Nice largemouth creek bass. Get a picture of him. Look at him. He just swallowed another fish there. Look at this nice largemouth. He's a chomper. Look at that belly. Big belly. Nice largemouth here at this creek. There he goes. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that cast earlier when we caught a number of fish, about a dozen in one cast. I struggled a little bit because I was just learning how to do it. I'm a newbie, as you know, and that wasn't bad. At least we're able to catch some nice set of bait fish. Which we will definitely do again here soon. There you go. Someone got it. Something got it. There. My gosh. Ah, I missed it. Shoot. So. Wow. There's a bunch of bait fish here. They're chasing it, but the ones that are chasing it are smaller bass. Maybe a good 14-inch. Yeah, it swallowed that 4-inch bait. Yeah, they're finicky. Last time I brought a topwater, a spinner, crankbait, even a shad that I bought at the store. They didn't bite it. That was like last week. Where you were fishing earlier, there should be some nice smallmouth over there. They didn't bite? Oh. I use a size 2. I probably need a much bigger one, to be quite honest, because earlier I almost caught one and he bent it. He bent the hook. Let me see again. I have a size 2 hook here if you want. I have a couple. Oh yeah, that'll work. Yep, that's perfect. All right, have a good one, man. Thank you, you too. All right, we missed that fish earlier. Swallowed that thing, but didn't get a good hook set. Come on, eat it. There's a fish. There's a fish. Finally got you, guy. Finally got him. Looks like a smallmouth. Nice. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Oh, it's a nice pattern. Nice pattern on the smallmouth. Gosh. Oh. Nice pattern on the smallmouth. He swallowed it. Awesome. Look at that, guys. Nice. One of the beautiful smallmouth I've seen. Look at the smallmouth, guys. Look at that pattern. Beautiful. Awesome. Pretty looking smallmouth here at Murfreesboro. Go ahead, guy. It's probably the same smallmouth that took the bait earlier. 2 and 2, 2 misses and 2 catches. Not bad. Not bad at all. See if there's another fish in that fishing hole. There's a fish. There's another fish. Oh, bigger one. There's a big fish, guys. Another big fish. Another smallie. Another smallie. Look at him. Look at him go. Awesome. Awesome fish. Look at that fish. Beautiful smallmouth. Alright, we'll put you back in the water. Releasing the smallmouth. There we go. That was a fun catch. Well guys, that's all the time that we have left for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not done so yet, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button so that you'll get all the latest updates from my YouTube channel, Fish and Trips. Until next time folks, bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.